So, hello guys, how are you? We are going to start one new series that is on power system, and we'll mainly go through the basic parts of power system. Later on, we'll come with one advanced series of power system. So, in this series, we'll cover these things you can see here. Okay, in these three series, but in this video we'll go through only the introduction part. Okay, later on I will just continue, we'll finish all the topics here. As you can see, topics for this series: introduction, energy conversion, electric supply system, and so on. So if you have come here for the first time, I'd request you to subscribe this channel so you'll get the other videos whenever it's published. I will publish. Okay, and this lecture or series is important for especially for BTech. Okay, for BTech students as well as for clearing concepts also. So let's just start. The first video will be so small. Okay, it will not that much lengthy video. So what is power system? A power system refers to a network of electrical components used for supply, transfer, and use electric power. It includes a wide range of equipment and process to ensure the generation, transmission, distribution, and consumption of electricity. Here you have to concentrate main three things. One is generation, transmission and distribution, and another one is fourth thing is that consumption of electricity. So this, look, generation, transmission, distributions, and consumptions. Okay, these four things are the main things of electrical power system. Okay, electrical power system is actually summation of all this. First of all, we will generate electric power, then we will transmit, then we will distribute, and it will be consumed by the customers. Okay, so this is the main thing in power system. That is power system actually. Here you can see in this uh, figure 1. Okay, first of all we are generating from the generating station. Here you can see we are generating electric power from the generating station, then we are stepping up it for distribute for transmission. Okay, through HVDC, high voltage transmission lines. Okay, then it goes to substations. I think you know all these things, basic things. Okay, if you have doubts you can comment in the comment box. Okay, then it's going to it's actually step down transformer. From the step down transformer it's going to substations, it going to primary customer, it going to secondary customer. Even from the substations also we are distributing from consumers. Okay, actually it's coming out from this substation. Okay, it's from step down transformer to it's going to substation, or it's written here sub transmission customer. Okay, so that's like it's, I think this figure is, I think this figure is clear. Sorry, I just want to erase all these things. This figure is showing the main power system. Okay, all the components of actually power system. It's a basic structure of power system it's showing. First of all we are generating, again I want to say it because this I don't want to make it so lengthy video. It's a small video, we'll just understand the figure only. First of all we are generating. First of all here we are generating. Okay, at generating station, then it's going to uh, we are going to transmit this. So before transmitting we are stepping up to uh, what to say, like to less loss. Okay. Sorry. uh, the loss for the transmission we want to reduce. Okay. While transmitting electric power, yeah, there are some losses of electric power, so we want to reduce that. Because of that, we are stepping it up and we are transmitting through transmission line. Okay. There are customers who are collecting directly from transmission line. Okay. So this figure is for that transmission customer. Okay. Then again, before going to substations, or we can say at the substation, step down transformer is there. From there we are distributing, okay, to the customers who are the consumers of uh, electric power, like us, home, office, any building of anything like that. Okay, we all are consumers. So here are the main components of power systems are generation. First of all, we are generating, then we transmit, then it's going to substation. From substation, we are distributing. From distributing, it's going consumers. And control system and protection system. These two are like very important things. Okay, for to maintain this process from generating to consumer, we need good control systems. Okay. Without control systems means without controlling this process, we can't like continue this thing. Okay, we can't continue continuously generate and distribute and generate and transmit and distribute. Okay. So, and protection system, there are faults, mainly uh, line to line, line to ground. These are like full common faults, like it occurs normally, it will occur, surely it will occur. Okay. So to remove or to protect from those faults, we need some protection system. Okay, in this power system. So I think you got an idea of power system. Okay. So in next lecture we'll cover this energy conversation, sorry, energy conversion. Okay. Second topic for our video will be energy conversion. So for today, that's guys. Okay, for today only we are just getting an basic idea that what is transmission, sorry, power system. Okay, so I think you understand. So bye bye, let's meet in the next lecture or next video.